Abby, I think they're only in here, honey.
But I just found it, but I found Colin.
Colin, did you find them?
I found all of them. I found another one. It's mine. It's pink. This is mine. Mama, this is so much fun.
Where are they?
Oh, leave those there, guys.
I will never touch those. I will never touch those, Mama.
What is that?
Where's yours?
That's it?
I found an 8 and another one. A yellow one up there.
Oh,
Where?
my goodness.
Over here, Mom. Daddy, 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 over here.
Up high?
Over there.
Oh!
Grandma, Grandma, can you get it?
I think I see a couple of them.
That's mine. The yellow.
Don't knock anything over on me, okay?
Mama.
Watch the glass, honey. I don't want you.
That's mine.
You
That's
see another one?
This one is yours, Pop. Huh?
There you
This
go.
one is yours. Mama. This is so fun.
No, we did not. You're gonna see lots of fun.
Well, Grandpa didn't found any
Well, don't forget to open you guys to open your baskets.
But Mama, look at what else the Easter Bunny left us.
Well, you gotta wait for that.
I see more eggs up there.
Where, huh?
Upstairs. A
I
bowl.
think they're gone.
No, I think that's it.
I see some up there.
Awesome.
I see some.
I see some. There's more upstairs.
No, they're just here, hon.
You know, some are upstairs.
The Easter Bunny doesn't go upstairs. He would have woken up if he went upstairs.
Up there again.
Yeah.
Yep, you see them?
Yeah. Mama, is that just it?
Hey, why don't you pick up that big thing on the ground?
What is it? That's mine.
That's a twist.
No, that's yucky.
Yeah.
Colin, what'd you find?
Abby, smile for Auntie, please.